Let praises rise from the inside, right? May you Let me show you how to move from the 6 to the 4 chord in a very stylish way. For today's lesson, we'll be doing Let Praises Rise by Miranda Curtis. The song was actually done in the key of G major, but for today's lesson, we'll focus on the key of E flat major, right? So I went from the 3 to the 6, then from the 6 to the 4, okay? So I did a move like this. May you delight, right? May you delight. Okay, then I went in the inside. That's what I did. So let me break that down for you. From the 3 to the 6 first of all. So I played this melodic movement first, right? So G, A, then I landed on the G major triad as the 3 chord. Okay, right now. So we're modifying the 3 from a G minor chord. Actually, we're playing a G major chord instead. Second inversion over the G on the bass. Then next, we went to this chord. That's an E flat diminished 7th chord over A on the bass. Then we went next to the F diminished 7th chord over B on the bass. Then we switched our hand quickly to the A flat diminished 7th chord, still keeping the B on the bass, but you have the option of playing D if you want to, okay? But for what I played, I did B on the bass. Then that takes us to our 6, which is the C minor 7th chord, right? So may you delight, okay? Then I did this in the inside, right? So what was that? I kind of crunched this together. I don't know the right word to use, so that's why I'm just saying crunch. It sounds like it's okay. So right, so I'm kind of doing a chromatic left hand movement from the B flats to the B, then to C. But as I'm landing on the C, I landed on this chord. I'm actually getting this chord right here on my right hand from the D flat diminished 7th chord, but because I want to lay an emphasis on the melody right here, right, I want to do something like this, which is C, B flat, and G. So that's why I am actually playing this. So you can see I'm voicing my chord to sound this way first, then I went properly to that D flat diminished 7th chord on my right hand, still keeping, you know, C on the left hand right there. Then before I make a switch to the 4, and the 4 chord is an A flat major 9th chord, right? Okay, and you can also apply this to songs like let's look for a song that has that movement from the 6 to the 4. Okay, that is who you are, Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God.